Welcome to the Be Forward series on the best JDM custom cars. Be inspired by the extraordinary modifications of the Land Cruiser 250 series showcased at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2025. The Mudron GT-X body kit, created by the experts in the 4x4 customizing department at AIMGAIN, turns the Land Cruiser 250 into a new class of luxury SUV. This impressive build redefines the heritage of Toyota's reincarnated Prado towards pure performance styling, taking a serious run at the iconic Brabus Mercedes G-Class. Urban flair is amplified by 22-inch custom AIMGAIN GTM-X wheels. Mudron front bumper seamlessly integrates with widened wheel arches, creating a striking visual impact. Additional daytime running lights complement the roof-mounted units, resulting in an aggressive look that blends city and off-road prowess. The side profile is equally impressive. The masterful integration of genuine doorsteps and moldings showcases AIMGAIN's design expertise and meticulous attention to detail. The bonnet's central duct and side covers further enhance the vehicle's imposing presence. At the rear, a trio of aero details commands attention. A large, almost rally-style wing dominates, while an elegant lower glass lip and a sophisticated, diffuser-like addition to the genuine bumper complete the rear ensemble. Great appearance is underpinned by a significant performance upgrade. A complete air suspension kit by Bold World ensures not only enhanced ride quality, but also contributes to the vehicle's award-winning status. This Mudron creation recently claimed the prestigious Golden Grand Prix Award in the dress-up SUV category at the esteemed Tokyo Auto Salon 2025. The next urban take on the Land Cruiser 250 that grabs our attention is the ELFORD build. Featuring a bold, rectangular-edged kit, it harks back to the classic JDM tuning roots with a modern twist. The massive 24-inch forged one-piece Celestial wheels, designed in-house, elevate the Land Cruiser into an entirely different league. A custom front bumper, extended wheel arches, aero parts, and side moldings seamlessly integrate into the overall design, yet create sharp, defined edges that highlight the tuned elements and set them apart from Toyota's original styling. At the rear, a quad exhaust setup and a custom bumper complete with a diffuser add a dynamic flourish, enhancing the vehicle's grounded stance. The result is a striking impression of weight and solidity in the lower body. It's a clean, simple design that's undeniably head-turning. Here's the next evolution of the Mudron, this time taking a step toward a more classic off-roader aesthetic. Multiple aero upgrades elevate the original Land Cruiser's design, blending refinement with rugged off-road-oriented styling. At the front, the new bumpers incorporate sleek DRL lights, complemented by additional roof-mounted units, giving it a bold presence. Subtle modifications to the bonnet enhance the sense of power under the hood, while on the sides, simple yet functional classic steps add practicality. The neatly extended wheel arches seamlessly integrate with Toyota's original design, creating a cohesive and purposeful look. This transformation sets the LC250 on AIMGAIN's in-house designed GRX 18-inch wheels wrapped in chunky off-road tires, providing both style and substance. The result? A thoughtfully crafted mod that amplifies the Land Cruiser's essence, adding enhancements so seamlessly integrated they feel almost factory-made. A clean, polished off-road look that turns heads both in the wild and in the urban jungle. Next up is another impressive off-road build, this time from a small Tokyo-based company showcasing a clean and functional take on the Land Cruiser 250. This white LC250 channels the popular Japanese off-road style, favored by city drivers who appreciate rugged aesthetics. The build incorporates a variety of accessories alongside bespoke aero parts, resulting in a standout look. A lifted suspension, upgraded stabilizers, KADDIS-designed springs, and other suspension modifications provide a subtle stance boost and make room for rugged wheels. These come in the form of 20-inch ELFORD bloodstock super light rims, paired perfectly with all-terrain tyres. The 40mm over fenders are a nostalgic nod to classics like the 1990 Nissan Patrol Y60 and Mitsubishi Pajero, blending heritage with modern functionality. Additional features include smartly designed side steps with a lowered profile for easy second row access. A roof rack and a ladder, each element meticulously crafted in-house to ensure a cohesive and purposeful design. This thoughtful build is not only visually striking, but also practical, offering a modular approach that allows owners to upgrade in stages for a complete transformation over time. A brilliant example of how to balance tradition, innovation, and everyday usability. Here's a true testament to the heritage of JDM low stance tuning at its finest. The LC250, elevated by one of the most renowned tuners known for creating masterpieces that balance subtlety with bold, aesthetic flair, embodies the iconic Hiroshima low and wide style. Without a doubt, this 326 Power Gravel stance Land Cruiser is a showstopper, wild, stunning, and utterly unique. The bespoke body kit upgrades, suspension system feature the legendary Chakuriki damper line in the Buddha Shamefulness X Cupman edition, fused with elements from the Chakuriki damper Buddha's Shame and Righteousness edition. The wheels, none other than 18-inch, in-house designed 326 Power Yabaking rims, perfectly complementing the aggressive yet artistic stance. It's a build that commands attention and leaves an indelible impression. Take a closer look at this masterpiece and immerse yourself in the unmistakable JDM vibe. Lastly, here's an impressive build by Crossmember, made in collaboration with Exile Line. This project blends JDM aftermarket parts with popular overseas upgrades to create a well-balanced, adventure-oriented look that's as functional as it is striking. The build features wide over fenders and a custom grille with LED accenting lights, complemented by auxiliary lights and a light bar from US-based KC Lights. The stunning monster tyres are imported straight from Australia, while the US-made King off-road suspension setup ensures top-tier performance on any terrain. The wheels are Japanese-made, monoblock 18-inch Delta Force Overlander by Crimson, perfectly suited for rugged adventures. Add an Australian Rhino rack roof carrier and this Land Cruiser is ready to tackle any challenge in style. Carefully selected accessories combined with the structural enhancements, excellent paint choice not only improve the vehicle's capability but also elevate its overall aesthetic. It's a smartly executed build that stands out as both a statement piece and a truly adventure-ready machine. Don't miss the other episodes in our limited series on custom cars, featuring more thrilling modifications straight from Japan. Click the link below to watch now. Check out beforward.jp. We stock a wide range of Land Cruisers at fantastic prices. Looking for JDM aftermarket parts? Have a look at BeForward Auto Parts, the dedicated service with global delivery to your door. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share.